All right, so it's a very quick walkthrough through the app. It's remember just it is a beta release, so if you catch bugs, please let me know. Screenshots would be great, but I'll go through it quickly so you know what's what. So it's pretty simple to use. You've got first of all, if you don't like the dark view, you can switch it over to light, so just depending on your eyes. But you can basically you can choose any of these sort of actions. Like for example, if you need a service agreement, all you do is fill out the details here of your client, you know, your name, your DJ name, company, or whatever, what type of event it is. So if it's a wedding or corporate event or private party, the date for the event and maybe the venue, you've got that as well, the name of the venue. You can also save that once you've done it, so you can have, you know, a bunch of them saved. Just this will only save it in the session because you're not logged in, but at least you can do that. And you could change the, you know, the brand voice if you wanted to write that as well. You can change that around. And what you can put your total amount for the gig, the deposit, and then you click on generate, and it'll go through and create that for you. Sometimes it takes a bit of time, obviously, because it's thinking. And then, yeah, there you go. So you got all the details there. You basically copy all this out over to a Word document or a Google Docs document and paste it wherever you want to, or you could even send this out as an email, I guess, if you wanted to. But, you know, ideally you pop it over to a Word document so they can sign it. And that's it. It's not going to save these things, so just remember that. So if you go back, you know, if I go back to the dashboard and then you go back to the service agreement, you're not going to get to save it. I might set up a feature to save during sessions. That could be something I could do. Again, you got email follow-up. So, you know, so this is very similar to the kit that you purchased, but basically it's done with the help of AI. Whereas all the other stuff you got is stuff that I built. But it's applying the same principle. So you should have a pretty good result from this. So you can do the pre-booking inquiry or post-booking, pre-event checklist, post-event thank you, post-event referral request. So for example, if I want a referral, make it pretty casual. Again, you can go and update this stuff altogether. So if it's for a corporate event, let's just say for a corporate event, and let's just say it was just John, so it wouldn't be a couple, and it was whatever, I put the date and generate, and it'll create a quick email for you to with the subject line and everything. Again, copy that out before you go and click away because it'll go away if you do. You got created content as well here, so you can create a script for a gig. So you can create again. You can change all this stuff here, and then it'll create that for you. So introductions, special announcements, closing remarks. But if you're doing for a wedding, you'll see that it will change as well. So it might have different options, well, different kind of blocks. It will have depends how you're going to do it. It's just closing or whatever. If you do a professional, it'll change as you change the settings. There you go. And then you got posts. So you can create a quick post. If you can't be bothered thinking up a post, you can, if you got your details there, it'll make that for you. So let's just say you took a picture of the event. You can just copy and paste that out. You could create a blog article as well if you wanted to. You can create images. So for example, I've just left a standard there, but you can put details of what you want to do. And it'll create that for you. I mean, you could use just a standard ChatGPT for that, but I figured this is a good way to have it all in one. You can do a quick about me. So if you want to create an about me page, just put some details here, put a comma between all the stuff that you want to give, just key points in general. And then it'll go through and create a about me sort of content for you. So it's nice and quick for you to create this stuff. So that all I'm trying to do is just speed up the process, so you don't have to sit there and type everything from scratch. I'm not going to go through all of these. You've got music planning, event timeline. This you can do a checklist sort of builder as well, so you can create that in here as well. Again, just remember you can change the details here. For example, I've got that one saved already, so I can just put that, and it'll be different because it might be slightly different when you add the details. And we go back. You can do questionnaires as well, so similar to the questionnaires that I gave you. This one's pretty cool. You can do like a sales assistant. So if somebody comes back saying price is too high, or do you have a cheaper package, you can choose how to respond. So if you're reassuring, confident, casual, enthusiastic, so you can go confident, for example. So that's the objection. And then you've got a little thing you can kind of at least work from in terms of objections. So I thought that's pretty handy. You can create proposals from here as well. So you just add some details here, and then you can add or remove packages, and it'll create a proposal for you. What else? There's a few like quick replies. So if you can't be bothered thinking about replying, what kind of music, all this kind of typical stuff, send me some more if you want to, and I'll add them in here as well. Same as the FAQs. If you've got questions that you want that you get always, you can do like booking process, for example, or you can add some more here. It's all kind of hands-free here. And then the landing page copy as well. So you can create a nice subtle landing page for your website. All the copy gets built for you as well. So that's about it. That's the whole shebang for now. Obviously, I'll keep working on it and keep adding bits and pieces. And then at some point, I'm going to launch this properly. So that's not going to replace the kit. It's just an extra thing that you can use on top of it. Cool. Thanks for giving it a try. And I really, really appreciate if you can send me as much feedback on it as you can. Thank you.